Okay, so we're at the Oberoi Rajvilas in Jaipur. This is like just outside our room. This property is incredible. We just came from the Oberoi Villas in Agra. And well, this hotel is just as awesome. And this one's 32 acres. They've got like a chipping green and putting green and amazing pool. Anyway, we're room 211. There's Tim. All right, so here's the room when you walk in. And it's very nice. The same as the other one, really, the butler button for anything we need and so forth. Got a nice view over here. Couch. Yeah, like I said, this property is 32 acres. I mean, it's expansive. The TV. Of course, the mini bar. Oh, that's the safe. And the mini bar's over here. And of course, some other stuff there. And all this good stuff. And a little welcome chocolates. Desk. Okay, and again, like the other, oh, here's another desk. And like the other one, it has a walk-in wardrobe, robes, and those are suitcases and so forth. The bathroom is awesome. Check this out. Here's their amenities. Okay, and getting to the best part. And it's not the toilet, I promise. Okay, shower, but look at this. It's open into this garden that's gated off, or, you know, it's got a wall. All right, look at this bath. Just, it's in the ground. And what you're looking at, your view is this while you're in the bath. So over the top of it's more of the resort, of course, and then this is like a little private garden. All right, that will just about do it. It's another incredible Oberoi hotel.